You can see that what we are going to do. First, you will draw AB. Okay. With the help of ruler, make a line segment AB, which is 7.3 centimeter. Clear, beta? Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So make 7.3 centimeter line. Okay, starting from 0 to 7 and 3 points more, like this. Okay, first you will make the dots, then you will draw a line. This is AB 7.3 centimeter. Now in the second part it is saying find its axis of symmetry. What is axis of symmetry? In 13th chapter we have drawn plenty of axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry means line of symmetry. What? Line of symmetry. So we will draw the line of symmetry. So where it will intersect, that is axis. Okay. So how you will make it? We will we have to make a middle point of it. So in that case we will make perpendicular bisector. What we are going to make here? Perpendicular bisector. Okay, this thing we are going to make. Bisector means perpendicular, we already know that 90 degree, and bisector means two equal parts. Okay, perpendicular means 90 degree and bisector means two equal parts. We have to divide this line into two equal parts such that the part will be of 90 degree. So what you will do? This is very easy question. Take compass, keep the pointer at A and open more than half of this line. Okay, more than half of this line. Clear? This thing clear to you all? Now first arc, upside and downside. Okay, from A make arc upside and downside. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Then from B, now place the pointer at B, cut these arcs upside and downside. Okay, extra one you can remove it. Okay, no problem. Now mark the point of intersection here. Okay, M and N. I am giving the name of it. Keep the pencil tip at M and N and adjust your scale and draw dotted line. Okay, like this. So this point is your axis of symmetry. Okay, and here it is main 90 degree angle also, and it divides the line into two equal halves. Okay, the half of 10.3 is what? See, 3.6 something. Okay, 3.6 and little bit moving ahead, and here also. Okay, the half of 7.3 is 3.65. So it is, this line will be around 3.6 or 3.7. Okay, 3.6 or 3.7, it will be around like this. Okay, Okay, I'm going to start third question. Draw a perpendicular bisector of xy, which is 10.3 centimeter. So here you are going to make a line of 10.3 centimeter from 0 to 10, 1, 2, 3 here. This is 10.3 centimeters. First make points, then draw line. Okay. The name of this line is xy. So may write it x and here y. Okay. Now it is saying draw a perpendicular bisector also. What? Perpendicular bisector. As like we have drawn here. So same thing we are going to do here also. Same step we are going to follow. Keep the pointer of the compass at x and open more than half of it. Okay. First arc upside, second arc downside. Okay. Same thing from the y. First arc upside and second arc downside. Extra arcs you can rub. Okay. Okay. Now here we are preparing perpendicular bisector. So make the points here and draw dotted line. Okay. Now this is the first part which is completed. Now it is saying take any point P on the bisector drawn. Any point P. Anyway you will make a point P. So I am going to take this point as P. Examine Px and Py. Examine Px and Py. So this line you have to draw like this, Px and Py. Okay. How could you check this line? Take divider, place the divider on Px. Okay. Now Py. So with the divider we can say that Px is equals to here Py. So what is the answer? Yes, Px is equals to Py. Okay. Now it is saying if M is the midpoint of xy, this is M. If M is the midpoint of xy, what can you say about the length mx and my? Okay. So what is mx my? Measure mx and my. Are they equal? Yes. So B part, B mx and my are equal. Okay. So this is the third question. Line segment of 12.8 centimeter. So draw. From 0 to 12 and here 12.8. Okay, name it as AB. This is of 12.8 centimeter. How much? 12.8 centimeter. Okay, now we have to divide into four equal parts. To divide into four equal parts, first we divide this line into two equal parts, and the way of dividing it into two equal parts is to make perpendicular bisector. Okay, open more than half and draw arcs. Okay, from A as well as from B. Okay, extra portion of arc you can rub. Now you have 2 points, 1 and this is 2. Okay, now you will take as point O because it is center point. Now check either your line is divided into two equal parts or not. So for this, place the divider at AO. Okay, and with the same measurement place it on B. So we can see that there is a bit of variation. Now place one more time. Yes, we can see that they are same. Now what you have to do? Now you will divide this line, these two, into two more parts. For this you have to do the same thing. I'm going to write the measurement here also. This is of 6.4 centimeter. This is also 6.4 centimeter. Okay, now divide this line into two more equal parts. So for this you will keep the compass at A, first arc, second arc. Okay, then B, first arc, second arc. Okay, now place it at O, first arc, second arc, and cut this side also, first arc and second arc. Extra portion you can cut. Okay, now join this. Okay, so here you will get two more points, L and M you can take, and see its measurement, is it correct or not. OL, LO, OM and MV. So here all are equal. Now measure verified by measuring it. So here we can see that all are of 3.2. So write the measurement 3.2 centimeter, 3.2 centimeter, 3.2 centimeter, and 3.2 centimeter. That's it. Okay. So this is your question number 4. We will start the remaining questions from tomorrow. Thank you.
Yes or no? So they are saying first you make a diameter of 6.1 centimeter. So how you will make it? Place the ruler, mark first point on 0 and second point at 6.1 centimeter like this. Okay. Then afterward join these 2 points. Name it as P and Q. This is the diameter of a circle. So generally when we are drawing the circle, how you're making circle, you're keeping the point at the center, then you draw. So we need to identify its center point. What you need to identify? Its center point, or you can say midpoint. Compass. So I told you how to make center point. Take compass and rule pencil. Place the pointer of the compass at P and tip of the pencil open more than half. Okay. First arc, top side. Second arc, bottom side. Okay, downside here. Now here at Q, cut these arcs. Okay. Now you have here two more points. First point and this is the second point. Join these points with the dotted line. Okay. The line where it is intersected, that is a center point. You can make the point this as O. Okay. Now how to verify either the point is the center point or not? What you will do? Just place the pointer of the compass at O and place it at Q. Okay. Now rotate your compass now at place it at P. If the both point is touching each other, that means the measurement is correct. Now draw circle. Okay. So here this is your circle. Done. This is question number 5. Here finished. Draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 centimeter. First you will make a point C. Okay. and draw a line of 3.4 centimeter, which is actually a radius. So where it will come? This is 3.4. Okay, this is center C, and this is the point I have taken. Make a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. Okay, done. Then afterward, first part is over here. Draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 centimeter. Here this is the center C and this is the radius 3.4 centimeter. Okay. Now in second part it is saying draw any chord AB. Draw any chord AB. So make AB anywhere. Anywhere you can make. So what is chord? Chord is a line who joins two points on the circle. So this is first point and this is second point which is on the circle. Yes or no? Yes. Chord is a line who join 2 points on the circle. Okay. Now open more than half. Upside and one downside. Now on the other hand, upside and here downside. Okay. Mark these point and afterward join these point. Okay. Now it is saying draw any chord. So this is a chord. Okay. I named it as AB. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. This is the perpendicular bisector. This line is what? This line is a perpendicular bisector. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. Where do they meet? Where this bisector meet? They are meeting at the, this is what? Center. Okay. So where do they meet? They meet at center. They meet at center. What is meeting? The perpendicular bisector of the chord. I'm writing the full sentence. Perpendicular bisector of the chord meet at center. Okay. This is the answer of this question. Done. Okay. In ninth question we have draw any angle with vertex O. First we have to make any angle. Okay. So what are angles? We already know. Acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle. So many type of angles we have. You know. So I am going to make one angle. So draw any angle with vertex O. So this angle I have prepared with vertex O. This is vertex. Okay, O. Take a point O on one of its arms. Okay. Take a point A on one of its arm and B at another arm. Means the length of A and B should be same. Okay. The point distance of point A and B should be same. So do one thing, open compass of any radius. Okay. Any radius you open, first arc, and with the same radius, second arc you will make here. Okay. Now make this point as A and this point as B. Okay. Clear? Then afterward, it is saying draw perpendicular bisector of OA and OB. We have to make perpendicular bisector of OA and OB. So what you will do? You can twist your copy. Okay. Like this. Then afterward, make the perpendicular bisector of OA. So how you have to make? I already told you. Open your compass more than half. First arc upside and second arc downside. Okay. Then place the compass at the second point O, upside and downside. Clear? This is the perpendicular bisector of OA. First point, and this is second point. Okay, draw the line like this. Then afterward, now it is saying OB also. We have to make the perpendicular bisector. Now twist your copy again. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of OB. Here also one, and this is second. Like this, you have to intersect again. Means drawing a perpendicular is same. Okay, in every cases, you just pick the 2 points, open more than half, make arc upside and downside. So the second line I will drawing with pencil. Okay, by which you will have the you will analyze the difference between these two lines of. Okay, so this is the second perpendicular which I have drawn of OB. OB I have drawn with the pencil, and OB I have drawn with the pencil, and AO I have drawn with the pen. The perpendicular bisector of AO is I have drawn with pen and OB with pencil. Now next, see, this we have done, this we have done. Let's meet them at P. Let's meet them at P. Take this point where it is intersecting P. Now it is asking, is PA equals to PB? PA equals to PB. Now for this we need to join PA and PB. Join this with dotted lines. Okay, just for the difference. PA and PB we are going to join. And check either they are equal or not. Okay. So what you have to do? Open your compass, measure PA, then measure PB. They both lie on the same radius. So yes, they are equal. So answer is yes, PA is equals to PB.